Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up shortcut to assistant menu button using our volume up and down buttons in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. To set up our shortcut, we need to go to settings menu, then we are looking for accessibility options, and here we have advanced settings, volume up and down buttons. Right now we have universal switch set up under this shortcut, but we want assistant menu. Yes, allow this function, and let's see if our shortcut is working. So volume up and volume down buttons for 3 seconds, and our button showed up. Our shortcut is working. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.